Want to add a personal touch to your Messenger notes by including music? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add music to your notes in just a few simple steps. Messenger notes are a fun way to share your thoughts, feelings, or updates with friends, and adding music makes them even more engaging. To get started, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. At the top of the screen, you'll see a section dedicated to notes, where you can view your friends' notes and create your own. To create your note, tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. This opens a new interface where you can type out your message or thought. Now, let's make your note stand out by adding music. Tap on the music icon located just below your profile picture. This will display a list of songs you can choose from. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find a specific track. Not sure which song to pick? Tap the play button next to any track to preview it. Once you find the perfect vibe, tap on the song to select it. You'll then be prompted to choose which part of the song you want to feature in your note. Adjust it to your liking, and then tap Done. Finally, review your note and music selection. Once you're happy, tap the Share button, and your note complete with music will be live for your friends to see and listen to. And that's it! Adding music to your Messenger notes is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more practical tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.